Hello bachcho, let's see the question. So here we have a statements and we have to tell the which statement is correct and which statement is not. So first point is cesium ions are more highly hydrated than alkali metal ions. Second is among the alkali metals lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium, lithium has higher melting point. Third one is among the alkali metals, only lithium forms a stable nitride by direct combination. So here we have options and we have to tell the which one is the correct. So now let's solve this question. So first point says cesium ion more highly hydrated than alkali metal ions. So let's see this statement is correct or not. As we know that when we go down in the group, atomic size increases. Here lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. So when we go down, the size increases. So the cesium ion has the large size compared to all. We all know that hydration depends on the size and charge of the metal or ion. Means if size is increases, then hydration is decreases, and size is decreases, then hydration is increases. If we talk about the charge, so here we can see that all are unipositive charged ions. So here we can see that all are unipositive charge means सबका चार्ज क्या है, सेम है यहाँ पे. तो हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी किस पे डिसाइड होगी, इसके साइज पर. सो वी ऑल नो दैट व्हेन वी गो डाउन size is increases. So lithium has a smaller size than cesium ion. Okay, so that means cesium क्या हो जाएगा, less hydrated. Okay, अगर हम ऑर्डर की बात करें तो ऑर्डर क्या होगा हमारा, cesium, rubidium, potassium, sodium and lithium. Means lithium is more hydrated and cesium is less hydrated. So that means our statement 1 is incorrect. Let's see the second statement. Among the alkali metals lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium, lithium has higher melting point. So here in second statement, as we go down in the group, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium, melting point is decreases. Why it is decreases? Because of charge density decreases as increasing in the size of cation, or increases the size or atomic weight of alkali metals, क्या होगा? ऑल्सो इंक्रीज होगा, साइज बढ़ेगा तो एटॉमिक वेट भी बढ़ेगा, एंड हेंस क्या होगा? इंक्रीजेस द वेट ऑफ alkali metals, इनमें क्या होगा? मेटालिक बॉन्डिंग डिक्रीज हो जाएगा, जिसके कारण इसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट डिक्रीज होने लगेगा. So it means lithium has higher melting point than sodium, then potassium, then rubidium, then cesium. So it means our statement 2 is the correct statement. Now let's see the third statement. Among alkali metals, only lithium forms a stable nitride by direct combination. So in statement 3, stable nitride बनाने के लिए क्या सबसे जरूरी है यहाँ पे कि लैटिस एनर्जी क्या होना चाहिए? ज्यादा होना चाहिए. और लैटिस एनर्जी ज्यादा होने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? मेटल का साइज क्या होना चाहिए? स्मॉलर. मीन्स मोर स्मॉलर size it will make the more stable nitride. कैसे बनता है? M plus N2 M3N. ओके, सो रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगी? लिथियम प्लस N2 इट गिव्स Li3N. अब इस रिएक्शन में क्या होगा? लैटिस एनर्जी इतना ज्यादा होगा कि ये इस रिएक्शन को क्या बना देगा? एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन बना देगा, जिसके कारण ये मेटल नाइट्राइड क्या होगा? स्टेबल हो जाएगा. सो दैट मीन्स हमारा जो स्टेटमेंट थर्ड है वो भी क्या है? करेक्ट है. Now let's see the options. So in option A, first and third are correct. So it's wrong because first statement is wrong. B is second or third are correct. So our correct answer is B. Hope you all understood the solution of this question. Thank you.